Hello everyone, welcome to our class. In today's lecture, we are going to talk about types of asexual reproduction. So let's start with this. In our previous lecture, we have already discussed about the characteristics of asexual reproduction. So here we are going to discuss what are the different types of asexual reproduction by which organisms reproduce. So let's talk further. The very first which we studying from our junior classes, the first is fission. You read about binary fission. Here we are going to introduce multiple fission also. So what fission is? Fission is splitting of a cell into two or many. Okay, the cell is going to break into two or more number of cells. This is called fission. One term is fusion, so don't get confused between these two. Fusion is to mix and fission is to get separate. It can be further divided into two on the basis of the number of the new daughter cells produced. Binary fission and multiple fission. So binary means bi means two, okay. So binary fission when the cell like amoeba, paramecium, Leishmania, they form two more new daughter cells. Okay, it means when the cell is going to divide, that will form two new organisms. That is binary. In the case of multiple fission, in Plasmodium, which is a protozoa and a disease causing microorganism of malaria, is going to reproduce by multiple fission, in which the cell will going to form number of daughter cells. New daughter cells are more than two. Okay. So over here the nucleus will divide multiple times. So we'll discuss that in another video. We are just taking an overview of the types. Then we have second type, budding. We read that yeast, microorganism, unicellular fungi that usually reproduce with budding. So what budding actually is? An outgrowth or a bulge that is having the capacity to form the new organism. So in the case of yeast, in the case of hydra, the new organisms are formed by the bud, and that process is called budding. Next we have fragmentation. As the name is only indicating, when the organisms breaks into pieces, into fragments, and each fragment will give rise to new organism. It mainly occur in algae. Algae are coming under the lower plants. Okay, plants में आता है तो one example is Spirogyra. So these algae they reproduce via fragmentation. This is one method of their reproduction. Then we have regeneration. Re means again, generation means formation. So when the cells, when any part which is get lost and that is regained, that mode of reproduction is regeneration. In the case of higher organism, this regeneration is just a mode of repairing. Okay, because like in the case of lizard, in the case of starfish, the organisms can only regain the lost part. They are not able to form the new whole organisms. This is only in the case of lower organism, like in the case of planaria, which is a flat worm that can reproduce via regeneration. Okay, it means organism will going to lost some part and that will be regenerated. That spore formation. In the case of spore formation, spores that are the generative cells which can give rise to the whole organism. In the case of fungi, generally what is going to happen over here? You might have seen the bread mold, and these bread mold, that is rhizopus, the spread fungi, will contain these kinds of structures. Okay, so these structures are termed as sporangium, and inside them the cells are the spores. So when these spores fall in the favorable conditions. Okay? And what are the favorable conditions? The warm temperature and the moisture. Okay? These are the favorable conditions. And when the spores are going to get fall on the substrate in the favorable conditions, they germinate and form the new fungi. Okay? So this is spore formation. In the case of vegetative propagation, we have different ways to grow plant without the help of seeds, without the help of like flowers and all. In this, as the name is vegetative, so vegetative part of the plant, the leaf, the root, the stems, they are used for growing the plants. Right? So this is just an overview. We'll discuss all the types in our next video lecture in little detail. Thank you.